Albuquerque schools and students need you now. This November, voters will be asked to vote on both the mill levy and school bond that will address urgent and basic repairs while improving the health and safety of students and teachers. The mill levy and school bond will not be used for central office administrative salaries and won't raise your tax rates. They will fund much-needed improvements for our schools and students, like removing lead from pipes to ensure safe drinking water, upgrading electrical wiring, fixing leaky roofs, making schools safe and open to all. Schools get the repairs they need. Students and teachers get the safe and healthy schools they deserve, and our community thrives. Learn more about both the mill levy and school bond. And don't forget to vote.